Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome browser manually. We know Internet Download Manager is a downloading software to download anything from internet, and when we installed Internet Download Manager, we need to add an extension named IDM extension. Maximum time IDM extension added in browser automatically, but sometime it's not work properly, so you have to add this extension manually. And how we can see extension is added or not. Let's see. Click three dot and click more tools, and click extension, and here you will see extension that I installed already and which one is active or not, but IDM is absent here, so I have to add IDM extension. To add IDM extension, I have to click here, enable developer mode. When I enable developer mode, I will see three options here. Then I have to minimize it, and I will click Internet Download Manager software from here and click open file location. Then I have to find IDM cext.crx. I have to find it. IDM let's find it. IDM gcext. I have to click drag and drop here, then add extension. Now I can see this download option is showing now. This way you can add IDM extension in your browser properly. If this system is not work, then you can try another way, like search IDM extension is not showing in Chrome extension. Okay, alright, first and search, then go to here, this link, then click here, click here. Firstly, let's see, this option is already added. Okay, if previous system is not work, then you have to you will see here add option, then you can add from here. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.